AI to completely replace doctors and nurses? Is that really the future of healthcare? Let's dive into what's unfolding. Meet the CarePod, Forward Health's latest innovation, designed to deliver automated healthcare services. Forward Health's CEO, Adrian Aoun, believes in transforming healthcare into a scalable product. Let's hear his vision.
We believe that healthcare should be a product, not a service. Every single thing that doctors and nurses are doing should just become hardware and software. And once you do that, then it turns out that these doctors and nurses can have impact beyond your wildest dreams. We're trying to build a healthcare system that can scale out to billions and billions of people.
This vision is groundbreaking, but it raises questions. Can AI truly replace the human touch in healthcare, even with a $750 million investment? What are your thoughts? Is this the future of healthcare, or is it a step too far? AI replacing doctors and nurses, a revolutionary leap or a controversial shift? The debate is just beginning.